Did you know the modern Egyptian flag inspired the colors of almost the entire Arab world? Welcome to FlagLore. Our journey begins around 3100 BC when Nasser unified Egypt. The pharaohs carried divine standards, like the Horus falcon and the sun disk. During this era, the magnificent pyramids of Giza were built, and the empire reached its absolute peak under Ramesses the Great. In 639 AD, Arab forces conquered Egypt. The Fatimid Caliphate later established Cairo and founded Al-Azhar University. Their white and green banners flew over a vast empire, ushering in a brilliant golden age of trade and science. Saladin founded the Ayyubid dynasty in 1171, rallying his forces under the Yellow Eagle standard. He successfully recaptured Jerusalem and built a sophisticated military state, famously carving his iconic eagle into the walls of the Cairo citadel. In 1250, elite slave soldiers known as Mamluks seized power. Flying their distinct yellow banners, they famously halted the Mongol invasion and transformed Cairo into the ultimate cultural and military capital of the medieval Middle East. The Ottoman Empire conquered Egypt in 1517, replacing Mamluk banners with the red crescent flag. Egypt remained the empire's wealthiest province for centuries, until Napoleon Bonaparte's shocking invasion temporarily disrupted Ottoman rule before the British Navy intervened. Muhammad Ali seized power in 1805, modernizing Egypt and adopting a red flag with 3 crescents and stars. This ambitious dynasty built a modern army, fueled the economy with cotton, and began the monumental construction of the Suez Canal. Khedive Ismail redesigned the flag in 1867. Soon after, the opening of the Suez Canal plunged Egypt into massive debt. Britain used this as a pretext to occupy the country in 1882, eventually declaring a formal protectorate during World War I. During the 1919 revolution, a powerful new banner united the crescent and the cross. Muslims and Christians marched together, eventually forcing Britain to negotiate Egyptian independence. Britain recognized Egypt's independence in 1922. The new kingdom adopted a green flag symbolizing Islam and the Nile. This era saw the turbulent reigns of King Fuad and King Farouk, the battles of World War II, and growing unrest. In 1952, Gamal Abdel Nasser's free officers overthrew the monarchy. They introduced the iconic red, white, and black tricolour, symbolizing the end of oppression and the dawn of a new, independent republic that successfully reclaimed the Suez Canal. Nasser's pan-Arab dream briefly merged Egypt and Syria into the United Arab Republic, adding 2 green stars to the flag. Despite Syria's quick withdrawal and the devastating 6-day war, Egypt proudly kept this flag until Nasser's death in 1970. In 1972, President Sadat adopted the Hawk of Quraysh flag. This intense era witnessed the historic Yom Kippur War, the shocking Camp David peace accords with Israel, and Egypt's temporary isolation from the Arab League. In 1984, the Golden Eagle of Saladin was restored to the flag's center. From the lengthy rule of Hosni Mubarak through the dramatic 2011 revolution to today, this powerful tricolour continues to fly over the Arab world's most populous nation. That's the history of the Egyptian flag. Which country should we cover next? Don't forget to like and subscribe.